So, first day, and I already have a problem. Urgently need to use the bathroom. Maybe having a case of diarrhea. But this bathroom here is closed. Brought tissue. But what to do? Country my born and grow still. I'm almost finished, but somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. Shit. Alright, so the trip is off to a shitty start so far. Whoa. Yeah. So I don't know if I'll have the courage to upload this, but if I upload this, this would be a very bold move. But that was one of the aims of this trip, to do something I've never done before, to experience Jamaica on a very intimate level. This is something that I may never get the opportunity to do again for the rest of my life. If it is that I, settle down in a career, start a family, etc., I certainly won't have the time to do this. So very excited about it, and I anticipate that this trip will get more exciting. Before that guy finds my load, let me sign out.